Welcome to your first guided breathwork practice for Inhale to Win. This session is all about one thing, which is awareness. We're not here to fix or force anything. We are simply becoming conscious of how we are breathing and gently reconnecting with our breath through the nose. So I want you to go ahead and find a comfortable seated position. And then you can close your eyes if it feels safe to do so, or else just soften your gaze. Let your spine rise nice and tall. Let your shoulders soften and your hands rest wherever they feel natural. And now, without changing anything, I want you to begin to notice your breath. I want you to notice where you feel it the most. Perhaps it's in your nose, perhaps it's in your chest or your stomach. I want you to notice the speed of it, the texture, the temperature. Really just observing, like you're watching a wave rise and fall. Now I want you to ask yourself, are you breathing through your nose or through your mouth? Is my breath shallow or deep? And is it fast or slow? Again, there's no need to change anything here. We are just being curious about the breath. Now I want you to slowly guide your next breath in through the nose and let it flow out through the nose, allowing it to just slowly find its own rhythm. And we're going to begin a short nasal reset. So how this is going to look, very, very simple. I'm just going to do some counting for you, in and out. You're going to breathe in and out through your nose. I want you to place one hand onto your chest, one hand onto your stomach. And I want you to make sure that you're directing every breath all the way down into the belly. So let's do a breath to sync up. Let's go in together and out. And let's begin. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. 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 I want you to continue breathing like that. If you notice that your mind is wandering, just bringing it back to the breath. We're treating this as a nasal reset, so that you can help your body to rewire it this way, so that breathing in and out through the nose becomes your default. You think of every inhale as a moment of strength and every exhale as a moment of softening. And after your next exhale, I want you to let your breath return to its natural rhythm. And I want you to just notice if anything has shifted. Is anything in your body feeling different compared to when we started? How is your mind feeling? And just know that this is the foundation of our breath training, just awareness. And the more connected that you are to your breath in stillness, the easier it's going to become to work with it in movement, in effort, and in stress. So when you're ready, you can gently blink your eyes open. Maybe wiggle the fingers, wiggle the toes, have a nice stretch. And if it feels right to you, you can just log it, just how you're feeling now, somewhere in a journal or on your phone, just to keep track. You can log it with somewhere where you are tracking your Bolt score. And then, yeah, this is a practice that you can come back to and repeat daily, just giving yourself a little bit of time. And yeah, I will see you back here in a few days with another practice. But until then, keep breathing, and yeah, well done for joining today.